More people at your company working remotely now? A lot of companies use applications that use a virtual desktop-based infrastructure. For best performance, workers need to be physically close to the computing resources. Hey, I'm Mike, and this video is for IT executives and managers who are managing computing resources for remote employees and need to make sure that they are getting the best performance. More people are working from home now due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and virtual desktop-based software and applications provide slower responses due to the increased distance between the user and the company's computing resources. Every click and key press has to go back to a resource behind the remote desktop. Computer World reports on an article from 2019 called The Seminal Role of Edge, where edge computing moves the virtual machine from a centralized data center out to the edges of the network, closer to the users. Dave McCarthy of IDC tells us that a good edge strategy is flexible so that workloads can be balanced between edge and core infrastructures. Should all of that come with greater costs? No, absolutely not. How can businesses manage these rapidly changing environments without spending more money on new hardware? As a starting point, if companies want to put more computing power on the edge, they may be able to redeploy hardware they already have in their data center. Or they can buy N-1 hardware. For most applications, N-1 provides more than enough computing power, and they can use third-party support to maintain the equipment and save 70% on annual support contracts. Where do you need to save in today's rapidly changing technology environment? Ping me on LinkedIn and let's talk about it. Thank you for listening, and I hope this information helps you as you contemplate, develop, and submit your next IT budget. Be sure to take a look at the other videos I have on the subject. And by the way, we provide discounted data center hardware and hardware support so you can put more money into projects that generate revenue for your company. We have both at up to 80% off list price.